Hi, I'm Dr. Sam, and today I'm going to teach you how to take an impression so that we can do your denture repair. Now you're going to get a package from us in the mail, or UPS, and inside it you're going to find a couple of little packets like this. Put those to the side, and also some impression trays. And I'm going to show you how to do all of this. Now before we get started, make sure you're not wearing something that you value, something that might protect you in case you get any of these materials on your clothing. It will stain. And also probably a couple paper towels in case you start to drool. You can clean yourself up. Okay, let's get started. Now I also recommend that you watch this video one time without doing anything. It's only about 3 minutes, 4 minutes long. And then the second time, watch it again, because I'm going to do it in real time so that while you're doing it, you can look at the video and I will walk you through it one step at a time. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is get your trays out, find them, and find the size that fits you best. So there's you'll get 2 or 3 different sizes, and all you need to do is start maybe with the largest one. See if it fits your mouth. This is a lower one. You can see it's hollow in the center. That's kind of big. Doesn't really feel very comfortable. The smallest one is this one here. That seems to fit pretty good. So we're going to use the smallest one. So this is a lower, and this is an upper. So the upper ones are all flat on top, and the lower ones have room for your tongue, and they go on the bottom. Upper, lower, down, bottom. Okay? Leave those both out. But once you've decided which tray fits your mouth best, then we're going to start with the impression. This particular one has a lot of packaging, a little plastic tray on the bottom, and then there's a foil that covers it, and there's a small tab on there. You can see the tab, and if you're real careful and real slow, it will come off in one piece. But if it doesn't, don't worry about it. We'll get it at some point. Okay, take it, move it out of the way. Next step is the back of it. Push it in as far as you can. This will help get all the stuff out of it, just like this. And then you can grab it, tease it out, and while you have it there in your hand, just kind of roll it into a ball and put it down. The lighter color is a little stickier, so you're going to see it's a little harder to get out once you get the safety cap off of it. Okay. And again, there's a tab on it. Okay. Again, I'm doing this in real time because it takes a few minutes. So just tease it off real slowly, and you can get the whole thing to come off, and it will peel off. Okay. As I said, the lighter color, whether it's a light blue or it's white, is stickier, and so it's harder to get out. And when you go to pull it out, it won't generally, the entire thing won't come out. So you'll have to kind of scoop around with your fingers and get as much of it as you can out. Okay, it's a little left in there, not a problem. It's a little stickier, but it won't stick to your hands. All right, the goal here is to start with a red and a white and make them just one color together. So if you want to get yourself a little timer and mix this for about 45 seconds, 50 seconds at most. Okay, put it together like this, squeeze it together, and just kind of mix it up real good. You just want to make sure that you end up with just one color. You don't want to see any of the You don't see two colors together. So sometimes you can roll it around in your hand like a sausage and roll it back and forth or squeeze it back and forth. So just keep mixing it for about 45 seconds. Okay. And then you want to examine it and make sure there's no white left. And on this one here, it's pretty good. I'll give it a few more seconds here to mix. Okay. Then we're going to roll it out into sausage, about so big. Okay. Now on a lower one, we'll just put it in one side, roll it all the way around, and you'll have some excess left over, just pinch it off and throw it away. On the upper one, you'll roll it all the way around, just like this, and then whatever you have left over, move it to the middle so that the entire area is covered completely. So as I mentioned, we're going to do the lower one first. It's actually the only one we're going to do. And we'll roll it, and we'll put it in the back of the denture. You can see that clearly. And again, when you get to the end, you have a big piece left over, just squeeze it off. You won't need it. Put it to the side, and we're done. Okay, now if you're ready, we're going to take this, and it's going to go in your mouth. And get your timer out. Use my little watch here. And take it. You're going to open your lips, put it inside, and I will not be talking. Okay, 2 minutes, it's set, it's done. Take a look at it. If it looks like teeth, you're good to go. Take an impression of your upper, if the repair is on your upper, and we can do the same exact thing. When you're done with it, rinse it off in some water. Take a Ziploc bag, either size, whatever fits inside there. Put it inside the bag. Make sure that you put a piece of paper with your name inside it, and then put it inside a cardboard box that you might have from Amazon or something like that, and put the label on it that we sent you. Take it to the UPS or whatever directions we've given you, and send it to the lab. Thank you for watching this today. And again, remember, you can watch this in real time when you do this yourself. Thank you very much.